Hey guys, so today we are going to unbox the Noctua NH-U12S Redux and the Noctua NA-FK1 Redux, which stands for fan kit. So basically this CPU cooler is based from the Noctua's famous NH-U12S. The main difference would be, of course, being the Redux line. This would be the more budget friendly, and of course they have cut corners to cut the cost, but still basically will do the job for cooling. So as you can see here, the Noctua NH-U12S Redux is based on the NH-U12S. It also uses the same Secufirm too, and it comes with a high RPM NF-P12 Redux fan, which I believe run on 1700 RPM. And the fan kit here is the fan kit specifically designed for the NH-U12S Redux. With this fan kit, you will be able to do a dual fan configuration on the NH-U12S Redux so that you can get a better cooling performance and at the same time a quieter operation, which of course running two fans would mean you can run the fans on lower RPM. So let's start to unbox. Okay, so this is the tower. It seems like it has a 4-pipe configuration in here. 4 pipes that go on both sides right there. And at the bottom, since this one doesn't come with a thermal paste, it has a pre-installed NH-1 thermal paste on base plate here. Right here is the 120mm NF-P12 Redux. Good thing is that it comes pre-installed with the anti-vibration pads and of course attachment clips. And of course the Secufirm 2, which should be compatible with Intel and AMD sockets. This, of course, the Noctuas are famous for their 6 years warranty, so this is covered by the company's 6 years warranty. And of course within that 6 years they will also cover whatever future attachments that will come out, and they will cover it for free. So included in the kit, this is the Secufirm 2 mounting system for Intel and AMD sockets. So this is everything that comes with the box of the NH-U12S Redux. This is the backplate for the Intel sockets and some brackets for AMD and Intel, of course. So being the budget line, of course, it only came pre-applied with the Noctua thermal paste down here on the bracket. So you should be aware that this cooler is only good for one application, because you will have to purchase the thermal paste separately for you to use it on different cases, or in case you have error installing it. So basically you cannot have error installing this cooler, or else you will have to get yourself thermal paste first. Also, what I notice is that compared to the NH-U12S, since this only have 4 pipes, what I notice is that the original NH-U12S has 5 pipes. So that's one thing to consider. I wonder how will this compare to the original NH-U12S. And I know that the original NH-U12S should perform better, especially with the noise level, because these are higher RPM fans, so this should be louder. In fact, they are rated for I believe 24 or 25 decibels, since these are running with the NAFK1 Redux. These are higher RPM fans, so in turn they are a little bit noisier than the original NF-U12S. Done with that, we will put it aside, including the mounting kits that comes with it. Now we go next to the NA-FK1 Redux. This fan kit comes with a NF-P12 and which is a pressure optimized 9-blade fan. At the back here, of course, it comes with the Noctua NF-P12 Redux 1700 PWM fans, and it has the SSO bearings. So yeah, and as you can see here, the maximum decibel noise rating is 25, and this should also come with the mounting clips for the cooler for the dual fan configuration. So let's go ahead and open this box. Additional mounting clips for the dual configuration, and 4 anti-vibration pads, Y splitter, and so these are the low noise adapter cable. It comes with 2 low noise adapter cable because apparently Noctua discouraged you to do a make a configuration with just using one low noise adapter and then split it into Y cable. Their advice is, of course, from the motherboard, it's using a Y connector and then separate low noise adapter on each fan. So this is the unboxing of the Noctua NA-FK1 Redux fan kit. Right now, the price of the NH-U12S Redux on Amazon Canada is for $62.95 Canadian dollars, and the NA-FK1 Redux costs for $21.95 Canadian dollars. So right now, this whole setup would set you back around 85 Canadian dollars. Saving you a little bit for a dual fan configuration, because the NH-U12S right now goes for 80 Canadian dollars with only one fan. And of course, if you're gonna opt for the Chromax version, which is the all black version, would set you back around 95 Canadian dollars. and that is Amazon.ca pricing. I would say this could be a good deal for the price of 85 bucks and having dual fan configuration, which of course better performance, and you can always set the RPMs low to your desired noise level. Of course, being the budget, this should work out for those budget build. It all depends on what you want to use it for. So guys, thank you for watching. Again, this is the unboxing of the Noctua NH-U12S Redux and the NA-FK1 Redux fan kit. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys again next time. Stay safe.